Here are the 10 common mistakes that you should avoid as a seasoned property or real estate investor. So let's go. Good day, ICanWin here, and welcome to my channel where I share tips and tricks about property investment. Are you a seasoned property investor looking to make sense of the current property and real estate market? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you 10 common mistakes that you should avoid as a seasoned investor at all costs. You see, these mistakes can be costly and can also impact the success of your past, present, and even future investment journey. So let's dive right in. Mistake number 1 is not doing your research. The first mistake that many seasoned investors make is not doing their research. After doing several purchases, it can become easy to stop doing the research that you used to do. You see, it's important to still research the market trends, the location, and also the potential of a property before making any investment decisions. This will help you make an informed decision and avoid costly mistakes. Mistake number 2, overpaying for a property. Another common mistake is overpaying for a property. As a seasoned investor, it can become easy to get caught up in the excitement of the investment and pay more than the property is actually worth. Always remember to stick to your budget and negotiate a fair price or below market value price for the property. Mistake number 3, ignoring the hidden costs. Many landlords and investors forget to consider the hidden costs of owning a property, such as property maintenance fees, property taxes, and property insurance, which also all fluctuate in times like these. It's important to factor in these costs before making investment decisions that could affect your whole property portfolio. Mistake number 4 is not having a plan. One of the biggest mistakes that seasoned investors make is continually buying but not having a plan. It's important to have a clear investment strategy and a plan for how you will achieve your investment goals over both the short term and the long term. Mistake number 5, not hiring the right professionals. Another common mistake is not hiring the right professionals and then repeatedly hiring these wrong professionals again and again and again. You see, some of the professionals you may have brought on board, such as your estate or real estate agent or a property manager, broker or solicitor, etc., should all be brought on again if they bring true value to the transaction. You see, these professionals can provide valuable guidance and advice throughout your whole investment journey. So as we're at number 5, I think it makes sense to say it now. If this is of value, consider hitting the like button as well as subscribing and hitting the bell notification so you can get tons more value every time we share another video. Let's jump back in. Mistake number 6, overlooking the impact of location. The location of a property can have a significant influence on its potential for growth and value. As a seasoned investor, it's important to consider the location of the properties you used to invest in may not be the ideal location for you now. So consider the current and the potential for future development in the locations you're looking in. Mistake number 7, failing to network. We can all get stuck in our ways. However, networking is key in the property industry. As a seasoned investor, it's important to build relationships with other investors, with other agents and professionals in the industry. Your next great nugget of information or deal could come through this channel. Mistake number 8, not diversifying your portfolio. Diversification is important in any portfolio. As a seasoned investor, it's important to consider investing in different types of properties and diversifying your portfolio. You don't want to keep doing what you've been doing, especially if it can be improved upon. Mistake number 9, underestimating the returns that can actually be achieved. You see, investing in real estate can be time-consuming and require effort, especially if you don't know how to leverage. As a seasoned investor, it's important to be informed of what type of returns are actually possible so you can be prepared for the time and effort required to successfully generate better returns. By connecting with more creative investors, your awareness will develop, and in turn, over time, so will your returns. Mistake number 10, letting emotions guide your decisions. Finally, many seasoned investors still make the mistake of letting their emotions guide their investment decisions. It's important to stay objective and make investment decisions based on sound financial strategies and research. Do your numbers and don't try to force it to make sense. In conclusion, as a seasoned property investor, it's important to avoid these common mistakes in order to achieve success in the property and real estate market. Remember to do your research, have a clear plan, network with other professionals, and stay objective in your decision making, even if you've already bought 5 or 10 properties in the past. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, leave us a comment below with what value you got, and consider subscribing to the channel for more property investment tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and remember that small keys open up big doors. I'll see you on the next one. Good day and God bless.